Okay, you can go live on Facebook now. Thank you very much. Okay, go live on Facebook now. Thank you very much. OK， 大家好，大家好，歡迎大家光臨。Hello, Funfair. Sorry, not Funfair. Tunfair. Oh my God, my eyesight is failing me. Okay, so tonight we are live at 2 places, YouTube and Facebook. I expect tonight to have more people, right? Okay, so help me share this out. I have got a very important message to share with you with regards to the stock market currently. How do you read it? What should you be doing? If you want to know, share to more people so that more people benefit. Okay, then everybody will know what to do and remain calm. Not everybody will come in. Also 有缘人那些有缘人我们就大家一起享用。Okay, so 来。I know it has been a very uncomfortable period. We watched how Dow Jones crashed 500 points and recover next day 500 points, but Bursa crashed together with Dow Jones but never recovered together with Dow Jones. That is so unfair. 係咪咁講？ Okay, 來 127 people. More. Come on, guys. Help me share this out before we start. Good evening to all members, Traders Club member. Okay, I hope you received my post-market update. And you like my post-market update. That is really what you should be doing, all right? What you should be doing. So I hope that inspire you a little bit. Okay, hi, SP Lai, Azhar, Ahmad over at YouTube. Okay, let's get more people to come in. No, it's still very early. Right, we do some trash talk. Anybody got any question to ask other than stock? We talk about COVID cases. How many cases today? How many cases today, guys? I didn't manage to catch the news. Hi, Abu. Hi. Richard Ong asked us to bounce. Anybody know how many cases today? I hope it's below 5,000. In case you didn't know, there is a Delta Plus variant out there. Ayo, today more than 5,000 lah. Say for lah. Refuse to go down. Refuse to go down. 好慘. Tahan lah. No choice tahan lah. Oh, 5,002. 好慘. Okay, so more pain ahead lah. Support level is 5,000. Wow. Hey, COVID cases follow the Bitcoin price. If crash below 5,000, seems like Bitcoin crashed below 30K and then quickly bounce back up to above 5,000. But actually quite bad lah. We want this pandemic to be over soon. A lot of business activities affected. Now, if you realize the last earnings season, a lot of Bursa company actually reported lower earnings. You should realize that in the last 3 years, I have got more companies that report better earnings than lower earnings. But then last quarter in May earnings is the first time in so many years, even 2018, that we saw so many companies reported lower earnings. Granted, they may have an earnings spike in the last quarter of the year. Okay, so maybe it will start to normalize, which also means going forward, those companies that is capable of more consistent earnings should still go ahead, should still go up. So we tonight, that will be the main theme. So we'll pay attention to these catalysts. Okay, how many of you are new here? If you are new, can you comment new for me to get a sense of the participant over here? The level of understanding. Before later I use some terms like BIC, SIC, WBD, TMD, you may not understand what it means, depend on how many they do swap. Oh, reduce swap. Government got no direction, COVID no direction, Bursa also no direction. South Pole. Let's be more optimistic. Let's be more optimistic. Okay, new. I cannot ask this question. Every time I ask this question, a lot of people will come and kacau. Oh, okay lah, can lah. 只要你们开心啦 okay? 只要你们开心 I know the market is very boring, so if you through this, you find entertainment. Okay lah. Let's enjoy a bit. All right, so let's start the seminar tonight. 300 everybody. Okay, so while waiting for more people to join us, I want to source ideas from you. Okay, I want to source ideas from you. So please send the stock out. Ang Bun Chai 开心哇！哇 ，long time 没see哦，Bun Chai，你要嘞，时间过得很快哦。熊东岭，我们在槟榔拍拼的时候 ，OK， 来 ，give me a stock. Let's talk about your stock first. Okay, then when the number hit 500, okay, tonight we want the number to be higher. When the market hit 500, I have got a very important information about this KLSE Strength Index to share with you. Okay, so now I 卖一个关子啊，我关掉先啊。We talk about the stock. Okay, Vertice. What is this stock? I have not traded this stock before in my life. Wow. Okay, Vertice. You see, when I go to a stock that I do not understand, automatically I will zoom out. Okay, when I zoom out, I saw that it is actually doing a sideways range trading for how many years? What, almost 2 years. Okay, so this is doing apparel accessory retailer. So industry, is it in play? This is my first question. Okay, I'm not sure. Tomorrow night, Nike is coming out with its earnings. Hey guys, no need to keep whacking the comment field as usual. Okay, those of you who are here many times, you understand, right? You could, right? Later I ask question, it will be flooded on top. Then I cannot see anymore. So later when I ask what stock, then you just post here. Fastest finger first will be easier. Okay, so now you participate with me and meanwhile share the video out. Okay, so Vertice, I was talking about Nike's earning tomorrow night. Okay, MMAC. Is it MMAC? I think MMAC. Not MMAC. I forgot the company that supply to Nike. Anybody can remind me? What was the company that supplied to Nike? The one got plants in factory factory in Vietnam, doing the shoes and supply to Nike. What is that company name? Tomorrow Nike earnings Magni, Magni ayo. Okay, how to remember Magni supply to Nike? Very simple, money. Okay, remember money, 搞定. Okay, so this is okay. Now, guys, once you open up this Magni chart, okay, how I get this idea is because someone asked me about Vertice. So Vertice, I saw it is the apparel and accessory industry, and that correlate me to the Nike, which is Magni. At least for Magni, the earnings is up. Just now the Vertice, the earnings is down. So therefore, I do not like to trade company that is not making money, not profitable. Always there are better stock in the industry that is making money. So that is what I want to focus in. Okay, but out of respect, because I asked for stock, cannot be I talk a little bit about Vertice, I go and talk about my stock. So let's talk about Vertice first. Vertice, if you look at the chart, you can see BIC very clearly. But take note, inside this trading range, you can see BIC, but it has BIC for many years already. Many years already, but cannot go up. Okay, it cannot go up. So right now in 2021, can it go up? What will cause it to go up? Earnings. Okay, unless it secure new what do you call that? They just announce results. Magni out already earnings. Wait. Okay, we talk about Vertice first, guys. Okay, so this is a trading range. We do see BIC on the daily chart. I flip to the weekly chart to take a look. Okay, you do see the BIC on the weekly chart. So Vertice is an akan datang stock. Okay, I declare Vertice is an akan datang stock, but the earnings is very cui. Let's go to the quarterly chart. Now, from quarterly chart and TTM chart, you can see there's a big difference. Why? It is because since Q4 2020, that is the bottom of the earnings trough. It started to make lesser losses. So I believe the market is speculating that it should be swinging into profit. Okay, the next reporting quarter, which is 30th of June. Coming soon. 30th of June coming soon. Vertice earnings coming soon. Okay, so market is thinking that it may report better earnings. And how do you know whether the earnings will be better or not? You need to read the previous announcement on the earnings to understand what is the prospect like. Okay, so that I leave it to you to do. I comment on the chart. I tell you what I see on the chart. I tell you about the earnings. So you have to do the other homework yourself. That is to find out what is the prospect of this company. Okay. Otherwise, if all else is equal, this stock looks like akan datang with all the BIC that we saw on the chart. Okay, so once it clear this 30 cents, maybe it will shoot up because it's 27.5 cents. The percentage movement is going to be great. Just imagine if it can go to 40 cents, it is close to about what 75% gain already, ROI. Okay, so that is Vertice for you. And let's go to, okay, I show you CCK. Because this chart, you see, as a trader, your memory must be very good. You must have photographic memory. Okay, photographic memory. So Vertice, this chart remind me of CCK. 想当年, CCK was also like that. CCK was also like that. Okay, can you see? It was stuck in this range for many months. Okay, and you see BIC. Every time we try to clear the 56 cents, 60 cents, it will always gonna pull back. Okay, so is this similar to Vertice, guys? If you see similar to Vertice, comment yes. Comment yes. If you find that, yeah, CCK is sama as Vertice in terms of chart. Okay, in terms of chart. Those of you who has been with me for many years, you will remember CCK. That time I call it the ATM stock. Okay, buy below for 50 cents, sell above 55 cents. Patrick remember, Market remember. Also, wow, many people remember. Yes. Very similar, right? So, see the moment it break out, it's like 黄河爆发一发不可收拾只逃 56 cents to 62.5 cents. Okay lah, not so fantastic lah. Oh, sorry. After that, it go to 72 cents. Okay, so it will give you a second chance. Now, the thing you want to know about CCK in terms of chart form, in terms of trading is if it breaks out and you are slow to catch, there will be a pullback. Okay, pullback, retest, RTS, and then the stock flies up. So this is your second chance. You miss the first chance, make sure you are there for the second chance. Okay, so let me go back to Vertice. Wow, 看到我都心动. Now, we don't know when it will go up, but you look at CCK, if you continue to ignore the stock, right, the day it go up, right, you may miss it. Also, the smart thing to do is do what, guys? The smart thing to do is to do what? If you're scared, you will forget this stock Vertice because tomorrow, 早上起来一杯咖啡下去 you are looking at new things already. Then you may forget about Vertice. So what should you be doing if you like to trade Vertice? If you would like to trade Vertice, technically speculative stock because the earnings, if you're speculating that it may make a better quarter. Alerts, Patrick, Patrick, alert, set alert, set alert. So let's set this alert. I'm going to set a horizontal line alert. Okay, I don't want to set at the extreme high or here I set here. Okay, so long it start to test this level 29 cents, it will send an alert to my mobile phone. Okay, send an alert to my mobile phone. Now, those of you who have this software, members, you can do the same setting so that when it trigger the alert, let's have a discussion in our daily commentary. Now, for those of you who have never seen this in your life before and you want to get hold of this, okay, you want to send this alert to your mobile phone, you need to get this software, okay, because once it trigger, you set the alert, it trigger, it will send to your Telegram app in your mobile phone like this. Sorry, like this. Like this. So this is today. Well, today all the semiconductor stock in Singapore all run. Those of you who know me, I am a big fan of semiconductor stock. Singapore one run, but the Bursa one, kick some. Never mind, we continue to wait. Okay, so Vertice 来了, so we set the alert. Now I want to take a look at Magni. Magni, the earnings is out. I haven't go and read the earnings yet. Okay, the earnings over here will be updated in 2 weeks time. So tonight I'm going to open up the earnings to read later. Then tomorrow I will check it out and see if there is any potential or not. Okay, so this is very important. I'm going to keep it on my other screen so that I remember to read it. 然后贵人事忙有时会忘记 Okay, so that's Magni. Earnings already out. So if the earnings prospect is good, you read, you understand it's good, then it will fly. Now, no. This reminds me. If Magni's earning is good, wow, can buy Nike or not tonight? Tomorrow earnings, tonight can buy Nike or not? 是不是很好玩？哇，是不是很好玩？听懂吗？有听懂吗？ If Magni report fantastic earning, let me see earnings. Okay, I'm on my another screen to look at the earnings of Magni. If the earnings is very good, 是不会好 okay, then no EPS is down, revenue is down, profit is down. Wow, Nike 要小心哦。Okay, maybe because of I need to read. Okay, 不要因为这样而买. So later I will read, and then if they are talking about better prospect, maybe Nike tonight will continue to chiong. Nike is NKE. Okay, Nike is NKE. This is Nike. It has been consolidating since the February top. Wow, Nike follow Bursa leh. Nike follow Bursa. Now go up. Come down. So now it is going up before the earnings is rising. Okay, so let's see whether it will do us proud or not. Okay, like next stock. Tufu, okay lah, Jessica, Tufu. I saw your Tufu, very beautiful there. So I'm going to look at Tufu because I have vested interest in Tufu. So let's take a look at Tufu together. Okay, Tufu and a lot of stocks, guys. A lot of stocks in Bursa over the last 3 days. Today is Wednesday, so the last 3 days you will see low volume. Generally, it is okay. Okay, generally it is okay. So you just have to stay calm. Wait for the next high volume to come into the market, and you see which direction the stock go. If the stock comes with high volume and the direction is down, 完蛋. Okay, but if the volume comes in the stock direction is naik, then you know that okay, only these 3 to shake weak holders out. Okay, so that is Tufu for you. Still looking good. It broke the ascending triangle, now retest as a support with low volume. Now, if you are not in the Bursa market, okay, you do not look at the bloody screen for one whole day, right? You will not be affected emotionally, and you can look at Tufu chart objectively. Objectively, what happened to Tufu? It break out of the ascending triangle, it's now pulling back on low volume to retest as a support. Totally following the scripts. Okay, so therefore everything is still normal. But if you follow the Bursa's market whole day, sit here, look at the watch list, right? You will be very kicksome. Then you feel very emotionally affected, like, wow, damn boring, wow, damn sian, why cannot go up, why no follow through, right? So there will be a lot of negative emotional feelings coming out of you, and that may cloud your judgment and your trading decision. Okay, so you need to do what, guys? If you feel very clouded with all this negativity in Bursa, what should you do? What can you do? Throw some suggestion. What can you do to distract yourself from the negativity surrounding the Bursa market. If not, everywhere you go in the cyberspace, everyone is talking down Bursa, say Bursa 没有用啦，换市场啦，没有用啦，没路用啦，Bursa Singapore 落後 ，Wall Street 落後 ，drink beer， 哇，啉kopi，sleep 冇必夠sleep is a good one because now MCO 嘛，minum kopi. See, all of you know what to go bangsai. See, all of you know what to do. Go and find an activity to do. Netflix, watch the movie 21. Watch show, sleep, makan, kopi, whatever you do can. Just don't be surrounded by this negativity surrounding Bursa. It will recover. Okay, we are 2% short of 400 before I show you the most important chart that you want to see tonight. Okay, the most important chart for you to understand what's going on in Bursa now and will it ever recover. 好，400了 ，Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, all right. So I wanted to show you the market share index. Now this is 2021. The whole 2021. February was a very good month. Okay, one shot February, I make about 48,000. Later you'll see that screenshot. I think a lot of members who joined in 2020, we had a fantastic February. Everyone see very happy. Then while the market comes down, we are very excited because we're building the portfolio of stocks for the May earnings. But instead of going up, the market keep coming lower and lower and lower and lower. And when the earnings are out, wow, surprisingly, a lot of our stocks reported lower earnings. Okay, so May 2021, a bit chuteng. Okay, a bit chuteng. Shoot the wrong stock. Okay, of course, we have our wins, but I didn't make a lot of money here, so therefore it's very annoying. I think you too feel very annoying. Then we have this wonderful rally in the 3rd week of May up until June 1 week ago. This is caused by the steel sector, steel stocks, as well as the glove stock. Okay, they have a short rally. They have a short rally, glove stock, about 1 or 2 weeks before they died. Like Care Plus being inducted into the main board or something like this, right? And you have got D&O very strong. You have got Malawa, JF Tech. Those days, they are very strong. Okay. Then subsequently, the market starts to turn lower now. So we are suffering about 1 week of pain currently. 1 week of pain. Now, can it recover? The most important question right here is people will ask, can it recover? So what you want to do is to look at 2018. Okay, 2018 is where there is election. The big item, the big date in 2018, the big event is the election where in Chinese term we call it 变天变来变去变回来 Okay, so that one not important. Most importantly is the whole 2018. If you take a look at the market strength index, you will realize that there is very little sustainable rally. Okay, you can see this green zone, very small hill. You don't even call this a mountain. Mountain will be at least 2 months, which 2020, you can see it in 2020. 2020, you can see the mountain. Oops, sorry. Okay, 2020, you see the mountain. Can you see? 2020, I'm going to zoom in 2020. Okay, all of you pay attention to this because this one will help you understand the context we are in. 2020, why so many of us make so much money? Because there are mountains. There are mountains. In between these 2 mountains, you have got a small little hill over here. Okay, you can make some money. Okay, but there are stocks that are coming down. So if you buy the wrong one, you are going to lose money. But thankfully, we buy the right one. So we managed to make 2 rounds, 2 big rounds. Okay, COVID stocks as well as semiconductor stock in 2020. 2021, there is one stock that contributed to the gains here. That is SCIB, one of the damn stock now. Okay, SCIB. Then you see 2021 so far, right? We have only got 2 small little hill. There will not be any mountain, guys. 2021. It is similarly to 2018 where there is no mountain. Okay, 2017 you can see mountain as well. Okay, you can see mountain. So the first half of 2017. Very easy to make money. But when it comes to the second half of the year, no matter how hard you try, you will realize that, wow, shit, there is no trend. Okay, so what I'm sharing with you right here is 2018. Okay, although there is no mountain, but what I want to assure you is the bad time will pass. Okay, and there are why like that? Where's my 2018? Okay, there you go. Just give me 1 second. I want to zoom properly. Okay, now 2018, there are no mountains, but there are periods of bullishness in the stock market. Okay, can you see all these going up? Last for 2 weeks, going up. This one at least lasts for 1 month. Okay, and then this one lasts for 2 weeks before the December sell off. Okay, and then subsequently recover. What am I looking for? I share with you. We are looking for the support. It need to form a support, then it will be easier, because once it has this support, then I will have my Sapu line. My famous Sapu line. Right now, we don't have Sapu line. Later, I show you how the Sapu line works. Okay, that means every time the market fall to this level where my cursor is, the market will recover. So this is where the bounce we try to make money. Find the stocks to make money. And during the August to October crash, okay, now we are in June. Okay, now we are in June, last week of June. Okay, we expect some downside. And then if July following 2018, example, really July go up, okay, if really July go up, then expect the painful August, September, October. Okay, if it happens, prepare for the worse time than now. I will say worse time than now, because right now I still feel the market is doing what it's doing normally. It is not bearish. It is pulling back with low volume. It's just waiting for a catalyst. The catalyst could be the earnings. Remember the 4 earnings months: February, May, August, November. Okay, so July we may come down first and subsequently start to trade higher as the market prepare for the earnings season in 3rd week of August. Okay, now once earnings season is over, you prepare for winter. It will crash again. Now October and September is well known in the stock market to be very bad months. Okay, so Wall Street, even in Wall Street, July, August is the earnings season. After that, there will not be any more catalyst. The attention will go back to Jerome Powell talking about interest rate. Then maybe they will talk about trade war. You know, there will be a lot of reason for the market to come down. Okay, so that is where September, October, maybe the weather will be bad, winter. So you have to prepare yourself. Okay, how to prepare? During the August time, this time round, whatever stocks you load into the earnings season in August, prepare to sell into strength. Okay, sell into strength. Now, August, I think August 1st is where the state of emergency will end. So definitely there will be one catalyst right here. Okay, political catalyst right here. So watch out for that. Okay, so I hope that we are able to sell into strength in the August earning. Then whatever happened in September, October, we try to find a new Sapu line, Sapu zone. Okay, and then buy again for the November earnings. Okay, before it sell on news and crash post earning. As usual, crash post earning, crash post earning. Okay, here also the same. After May, crash post earnings. I hope you get the concept. Understand or not? If understand, just give me a yes. Comment yes if you understand this concept. This will help you understand what's going on now. Also that you don't have to worry too much about it. No need to kick some. Watch Netflix. I recommended a very good movie for my Malaysia members on Monday night meeting, right? Thomas Wong, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess. OK， 听懂哦，有用哦，有用哦，这个有用哦。OK. Alright, so this is 2018. Go to 2019. 2019 is also very easy to make money. 2019 is where I was traveling around Malaysia, holding seminar in the hotel room. I was at KK, I was at Miri, I was at Kuching, I was at JB, KL, Ipoh, and Penang. Wow, Sibei Boeing 飞，一直飞呢。Because the market is very easy and bullish. You see, every earning season is so predictable. February earning season, market trades up. So this is where you want to start to buy and then you sell. Okay, then you sell into strength. Then you rebuild your portfolio. May earning season 来了, right? Buy. Can you see? Then after that, after earning season, what happened? Crash. August earning season come, buy. After earning season, what happened? pull back, it never crash, then pull back. Okay, then November earnings season, how? Buy up. Then after that, sell, pom. Earnings come out, pom. Okay. Oh, the other thing I want to share with you in 2018 is, despite most of the time the market is down, you can see it's swimming below the green zone. Only got one mountain, the rest are all small hill. There are winners in the market. You see Tufu is one. I remember because I traded Tufu back in 2018. Okay, let me show you the evidence. Now, this is our private group, guys. This is our private group. Okay, wait, let me show you. 这边真的是宝来的嘞。This Financial Traders Club really is like a treasure trove. Okay, a lot of knowledge and experience and wisdom is inside this group. Okay, because I started this club in 2018, a brand new club. We used to have an old one, but I stepped up, okay, out of my comfort zone to come and lead the Traders Club. And then I started this page in 2018 to group everybody together. All you need to do, you click here, you search 2018, right? You are able to see what we talked about in the 2018 Traders Club. Okay, so just now I want to find out, what are the stocks that move up in 2018? So I searched for the stock. Can you see? Okay, this is 10th of December. That time, the market is coming down. As you can see, lessons on avoiding downtrending stock. So this webinar, we talk about downtrending stock. Okay, and then there's another one in 2018, we talk about Tufu and all that. There you go. Is this one? The 2019. There? No. This is 23rd. Okay. Now, 23rd of December, we are looking for what? Support turn resistant. Support turn resistant. It is the same that we are doing right now. So the method doesn't change. The market can go up, can go down, but you cannot suka change your method, change your home ground. You must stay put. I say this many times already. You want to be there during the good times, you must be there during the bad times, because when the market turns, you are there to take advantage of it. All right, so this video, I talk about using indicator to spot the bounce and focus on support turn resistance. When? 23rd of December. Take a look at this. 23rd of December. 有没有 bounce? 厉不厉害？有没有 bounce? 厉害吗？厉害不厉害？有没有 bounce? That Traders Club itself, we know the market come to a low. Why? Because of the support zone. Can you see? Can you see? So this is where the market is going to turn up. So how do you find the stock? That was in that video. 厉不厉害？犀利还犀利？厉害，给个赞，给个赞 ，Yeah！ 看 ，Can you see this? The strategy itself doesn't change. It just repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So once you know, right, you just need to be patient to wait for the chart to turn into your favor. Okay, to turn in your favor. When the market is not in your favor, you must know how to protect yourself, protect your capital, handle your risk management. After that, 来了咯。Patrick, that time you are still not there yet. Patrick, you joined last year, right? All the old birds where are they? Okay, so that is how we do it in 2018. So if 2021 turned out to be 2018, okay, I repeat myself. If 2021 turns out to be like 2018, we are ready to pick up stocks. Okay, we are ready to pick up stocks. Okay, so the other thing I want to share with you is 2018, although the market is bad, but you see there are winners like Tufu, right? There are winners like Tufu, as I was saying. Where are they? November 8 in that Traders Club, we look at this stock. We are targeting this stock. You see, I show you Scomnet and Franken. I told you Franken, my old friend, right? Tufu. That time also got Supermax. Then you look at the chart. Tufu confirm November go up. 厉害不厉害? Okay, and then you have got what was that stock again? Scomnet. You see Scomnet, that time all these earnings very strong one, right? All going back up. 2018 什么熊市? What is bear market? What is market no good? Where got no good? No good is because you buy the wrong stock. Correct or not? No good is because you buy the wrong stock. Your problem is solved if you buy good stock. Okay, now that is the important message I wanted to share with you, because I think this will help you to understand. Help you to understand what do we expect going forward. Okay, now let's come to 2021 now. After you understanding the history, the 2018, 2019, so 2021 looks like it's going to be the dry year like 2018. Okay, so after dry year, guys, after dry year, if really 2021 is a dry year, 2022 will be a good year. It's like that. It's 轮回one, it's up and down, up and down. So if you go and give up on Bursa in 2021, you might cry. When 2022 comes, you are buying at a high. I've seen it happen so many times. People always have to come back at the high, come back at the high. Then when the market crash, they will think, ayo, Bursa 很难玩啊, Bursa. Oh, but the truth is, you must buy here, ma. Nobody asks you to buy at the high, leh. Okay, when Bursa goes up, I also say, ma, here, watch out, start to turn down already. Now confirm turn down, prepare for winter. Okay, so right, 话不要多说，我们画画。Okay, I'm going to draw and illustrate to you what is likely going to happen so that it will prepare you. This is the earnings season, 23rd. Now, pay attention. We should not go and buy only on 23rd. The earnings are going to be out by the 23rd of August, which means if the market expects certain stocks, their earnings to be good, the stock will start to trend up to the earnings day. I repeat myself again. If the market thinks that, okay, who is the market? Market are the collective individuals, fund manager, institution. Okay, we are all called market. The collective term to call us market. Okay, so when the market thinks that a particular stock is going to report better earnings by 23rd of August, they will buy up first. Sometimes they will buy too high, become too expensive, and then the stock will crash. Okay, if the stock cannot meet the earning expectation, but most of the time it will start to trend up. So your job is to buy the low between June to July. I said this many times. May is the earning season, August the earning season. The best time to buy is the low at June or July. Okay, June or July. So if July really there is a low and you start to see BIC chart, even as of today, there are still BIC chart, it's just that there's no follow through buying. We just have to stay on, stick to it. Don't anyhow jump around. You jump around, if you're not skillful enough, you may get trapped in other stock. Then your stock that you're waiting for go up, you bang your head against the wall, also cannot recover. Okay, so we are expecting the market to do this. Stabilize, okay, and then watch out for this, start to trade up. Watch out for this. Okay, and start to trade up. Where do you buy? You want to buy here, you don't buy here, you buy here, yam gong again, okay, you buy here, you yam gong again, I repeat myself, you buy here, you yam gong again, you want to buy as it start to go up. Now, how do we know it start to go up? We don't know one. How do we know? We don't know, right? It comes here, it can continue to go down like this, like this, see? You think that it is at a support already, it shows you, palm go down lower, right? So you have to stay with it. 浪很大，你还是要划船的，你还是要在船上拼命的浮着。Okay, the wave is very big. You need to be like a tree standing by the waterfront. Wow, this one is an army song, like a tree standing by the waterfront. Let it crash against you, and when the tide turn, go and buy stock. Okay, go and buy stock. So this is where you want to buy. You don't bloody buy when you see the green zone, right? Green zone, cut to it, you are late already. Okay, and then you may end up getting caught at the high again. Oh, so be careful, okay, be careful. So that is my prognosis for this Bursa market. All hopes are not gone yet. So please do not feel so despair. Okay, remember, if there's too much negativity, you look at your portfolio, if you're holding fundamentally good stock, earnings is expected to be good, then you just close your watch list and then go and do your work. Okay, go and sleep, go and watch Netflix, go and swim. Just don't trade with your emotion. Okay, 讲完了， any question or not? with regards to the market share index, sorry, got one more thing I want to show you. I forgot. I wanted to show you this Sapu line, correct or not? So along the past 2020 to 2021, there was a very good solid line that we are using. You see, this is the first time. Okay, this is the first time the market from green zone pulled back and tested this line. Okay. So this is the COVID low. So in June 2020, it tested this line, and then what happened? It rebounded off and go into a rally. So this is where you make money, okay? And then it pulls back again. Here, everybody think that one tan la Bursa going to crash. Okay, this line represent not the individual stock that I'm looking at. Okay, this market strength index represent the top active stocks in Bursa at that point in time. It is not the same 100, 200 stock. Okay, it is a very smart algo that picks up the active stocks at that point in time. Okay, everybody clear, right? This is not 30 component stock also. Okay, this is my proprietary formula to track most of the stock in Bursa to understand the general market direction. Okay, so this is the time when you see a line coming down, it means a lot of stocks are coming down. So it comes down, go to the blue line, doing. Can you see? So this is a good time to buy stock. Okay, and then you will enjoy the October rally, and then October finish, only 1 week rally, plunges again. So this is the line, you want to pick up stock. So as it starts to bounce, that is where you look for BIC chart and you buy those stocks with expected better earnings in the November earnings season, and then you enjoy a 2 months of green zone where stocks rotate among themselves to go higher, and then it crashes again in December, and then January touches that blue line again, that Sapu line, and then bounces up, and that is the last time it is hurt. Okay, after that, April test again, fail. Can you see it failed? So this is now a new line. We are now going to track whether it will form a new Sapu line, and then that will be the line I'll be using for reference for future market correction. Right now, no more because it plunges below that line. Okay, everybody clear? Aaron Lee 非常时期非常手段吗？刘德华说的，在韩战里面刘德华说的，非常时期非常手段。In extreme situation, you need to pull out all weapons. No choice. Usually, I don't go and do all these forecasts because I see the market really needs some help. All of you need some information from old birds like myself, like many other senior traders, right? We are going through the ups and downs. We know, this down, you know one. Tufu will go up one. Franken will be back up. They will not come down. Correct or not? There are some stocks, they will not crash one. Okay, so therefore we want to share our experience with those of you who are new, okay, who are panicking now. We are here to assure you, Magni Dita, scared, how to say? Scared, how to say? I forgot to say how to say scared. Okay, right. So let me talk about your stock now. So Sherwin, PIE. Okay, now PIE 来了 PIE. First of all, when you see PIE, this is the very beautiful uptrend. You should make some money here. Then after that, the stock crashes. Okay, the stock crashes. This is the new beginning. So most of the stock crashes in March, April, May. So you want to see from the May low to the current last done price to see, do you see BIC or not? Okay. Now my question back to all of you, do you see BIC or not? Do you see BIC in PIE chart or not? 有没有? If have, comment yes. If don't have, comment no. If don't know, comment don't know. A lot of you say no. Thomas Wong say not yet. Sean say yes, no, yes, no. Okay, let's study in greater detail. Okay, let's study in greater detail. This will qualify as a BIC. Subsequently, go up and then consolidate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 days of consolidation. Now, during this consolidation, this low volume caught my eye. Although there is no long white candle. Okay, there's no long white candle. Therefore, I cannot consider this as having BIC on the daily chart. Okay, there is a long black over here. By right, the stock should have continued the downtrend and crash, but it didn't. It trades sideways. So definitely, this consolidation zone is worth our time to investigate further. So once you switch to the weekly chart, dun 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 dun, multi-time frame analysis, guys. Multi-time frame analysis. So once you go to the weekly chart, daily chart, you can't see anything. You don't know what the hell. Wow, no BIC leh. No clear BIC. Okay, but if you read the candle one by one, it can tell a story. But this is too long to tell in the public webinar. Monday, I think last Monday meeting we talked about this one. We even set alert, correct, our members. So you go to the weekly chart, you will be able to see BIC, quadruple BIC. Okay, now this is not the strongest of long white, but the pullback has very low volume over the last 3 weeks. So long it remains this way, the big bump up will come. Okay, the big bump up will come. Let me show you a similar chart. Wow, semi pattern also pull out already. Let me show you a similar chart. 看到不？睇唔睇到啊？ Can you see? Up and then pull back, low volume. Guess what? Today what happened? 一柱登天，一柱登天。When you go to the daily chart, you can't see BIC one. It is hidden. This is called like your 八字 like that. Inside your hidden animal sign. It is like 八字. You can't see from here. So you need to step away and look at the weekly chart. Then you'll be able to tell that, wow, this chart was sweet. Okay, and this week, 一柱登天. Okay, but this is a Singapore stock lah. I just showing you the pattern. Okay, I just showing you the pattern so that you understand how to see. Now, exactly when to buy, 这里 I cannot share, okay, because that will be infringement of the SC rules. So here I can only share with you the technical analysis part. Okay, so that is the same pattern that we are seeing here. So hopefully it will 一柱登天 as well lah, PIE. Anyway, for members, we already set our alerts. We will wait for it to trigger before we do anything. Let me see, is it set here? PIE, 有冇啊? PIE. Okay, it's set at my M Plus platform. Set at my M Plus platform. 我記得有喎, just okay, wait. Let me go to my M Plus to see. If don't have, I will set now. Okay, if don't have, I will set now. Then all of you can see how I do it. If have, 就省起来了. Manage alert PIE. Eh? 没有哦. Okay, 来 set alert. I remember have leh. Don't know why don't have. Okay, let's come back to the daily chart and set alert. Okay, so this is very simple to set lah. You can either set the volume VT, which I cannot show now because why I got this thing. Okay, I cannot show now because this is our proprietary formula. So I can only show the normal horizontal line alert. Okay, so this is the consolidation zone. So it's very easy that you can see this is the high to beat. 3.17 is the high to beat. So I set an alert 7月9号突破的话, okay, that means before 9th of July, if you can break above this high, then that will be the time I will buy. Okay, or it trigger our volume alert. So right now, this is the alert to set. So once I set, it will be here together with Vertice. 看着办. Now today I added one more, Inari. Let's take a look at Inari. I added one more. Inari, I also stand by. 我就是他妈的不相信 semiconductor don't go up. No, I really very stubborn on this semiconductor. I got it right for SGX. I got it right for Wall Street. How can Bursa not go up? Jing Kai today reminded me. Actually, in January, I made the same statement, and then subsequently, it really up for that 2 weeks. So, 难道 the semiconductor stocks are coming soon? 难道莫非 it is testing our patience? 莫非 So, volume clue lah, volume clue. Okay, so let me see weekly chart. Really no clue lah. Volume also no clue. Really have to wait lah. Really have to wait. Okay, so that is Inari. Okay, right. So now we want to talk about another stock from you. But this time round, I will only share with me what stock you want to see. I will only pick stock from the top sharer. Okay, that means your your nickname 旁边 there must be a top sharer. Then I will talk about your stock. Let me go up and see. Like that got top fan top sharer Okay, right. Next, come see whether you got top fan, top sharer now. D&O Onso has Onso has got sharer. So let's talk about Onso stock. Those of you who want to get sharer, go and share out this video. Share out this video, then you will get the top sharer. Then we'll talk about the stock. So you say D&O. D&O is a good choice because D&O I have. D&O actually, okay, we start on the bigger time frame. Bigger time frame see moment Wait, let me search my notes. Okay, D&O got story to tell you because those stocks that I buy, I got do additional homework. Okay, I want to share with you so that you know the story about D&O. 好不好？我没有乱买的。Okay, D&O LED stock. The LED is also semiconductor. Okay, the catalyst for D&O has been the sales tax exemption for car sales. Okay, which was supposed to end on 30th of June 2021, but it has been extended to December 2021. Okay, so long this car sales tax exemption are still in place and we read the motor sales number is going up, D&O earnings should be up, and this should go along with PECA. Okay, it should go along with PECA because PECA wrap the leather seat and D&O provide the LED. Nowadays, car inside, everything is LED. Ambient lighting is LED, headlight LED, tail light LED. Okay, so everything is LED now. So therefore, D&O is having this super earnings growth cycle at the moment. Okay, so that is what drives the earnings, drive the price up. So let's hope that it can continue to 创造奇迹. Okay, let's hope that it can continue to 创造奇迹. PE is a bit high, 79 times for a super growth stock. No choice, nothing else to buy, so we go for it. Okay, so therefore, I still go for it. Now, based on the weekly chart, you can see this is a normal pullback, okay, and then now it's resuming the uptrend. So long the chart continue to be bullish. Why I say this bullish? You can see the long white in the middle consolidation with low volume. This week, if consolidate with low volume, next week break the 5 ringgit, the 5 ringgit. Wow, this fella maybe can fly. Okay, maybe can fly. Let me do my favorite AB equals to CD and try. I try. Doesn't mean that it will work all the time. Okay, I try my AB equals to CB. Oh, cannot. This one cannot use. I need up and I need a zigzag then in order to project. So this one haven't done a zigzag yet. Okay, so weekly chart looks good. Daily chart. Sorry, let me cross check on Wall Street. How is the bloody Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq is still up 0.22%. Okay, what you are looking at right now in terms of the Wall Street is we are stepping into the earnings season. Okay, just now I spent a good 20 minutes to explain to you about earnings season because I sincerely hope it can help you to remain calm and understand what's going on. So Wall Street, you may be wondering, hey, why last Friday crashed, then Monday recover, then now they are like on the way autopilot going up. Why Bursa still not going up? Okay, why Wall Street is going up is because currently they are focused on the earnings season. Okay, earnings season usually, from my experience, guys, this is from my experience. Throughout my 17 years, I have tried to long stock, short stock in Wall Street. So I did a study. I realized every time during the earnings season month, don't go and short stock. The market is well supported, bloody hell. Want to short after the earnings season. That is where the market will be volatile. Okay, so that is the little information I share with you. Okay, so yeah. Let's continue. DNO on the daily chart, you can see it is still BIC. I know some people are kanchong about DNO because it is like stuck at a high note going up. But take a look at the volume. Okay, long white, consolidate with low volume. So this in itself, you do see the BIC that we want to see. So it is still going up. So when it's going up, you can either do trailing stop or you can use the minor low to protect your position. Okay, then yep, enjoy the trend. Earnings is strong, it's trending up. So this one, I don't think got any, it's not a money losing company. So the only thing, okay, the only reason is suddenly it reports earnings that stun everybody, reporting lower earnings, that tail stock gap down. Okay, so otherwise, based on the current earnings projection, it should still be good. Okay. Chu Boon Xiang top sharer, Open Seas. Wow, Open Seas, I long time never see already. Open Seas. Ever since the earning disappoint, you see? You see? This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. The last time I was involved in Open Seas was this, I think was this rally, or this rally. Okay, because I was squeezed. Okay, and then waited for the rally to come in. That time there are BIC in the chart, so you can see the BIC in the chart, so you know it will come. It's just a matter of time. So I waited, squeeze, bloody squeeze, boom, finally go back up in the trend and then quickly get out of the stock because the earnings was not good. Okay, the earnings was not good. I don't trust the earnings of this particular industry. IT services and consulting, business support services, industry, the earnings quite volatile. Okay, so i.e. Open Seas, I think if I don't remember wrongly, I used to follow Open Seas. So correct me if I'm wrong in my information or am I outdated. It do the ATM software, correct or not? ATM software. Now MCO, not a lot of people out there, and then I don't think the bank there's no need to keep opening up branches and new ATM machine. I think that activity may have stopped. Okay, so that was a plunge in the earnings. Therefore, you can see the stock not doing very well in the whole 2021. Okay, so therefore, another thing is we talk about holding on to a stock long term. Okay, when you are looking at this view, right, you are confident about the stock. You're confident about the stock. Earnings is rising, stock price is rising from 24 cents to 72 cents. Wow, 西北送 correct. But 好景不常在，花开花会谢，知道吗？ Because the earnings, if cannot sustain, the stock price will come down. So those of you who wants to hold stock long term, right, you need to follow the business cycle of your stock. It cannot be you buy already, right? You park one side, you continue your life, and you don't look at the stock market. It doesn't work this way. Your stock will 超大 will 吹. You need to take care of it. It's like love. You need to show some TLC from time to time. If you don't take care of the relationship, it will turn sour. Okay, you will, some other guys will come potong jalan away your girlfriend or a wife, no lah, potong jalan your girlfriend. Okay, so it's same for stock. You need to know the earnings. If the earnings starts to weaken, you must know why. Can it recover? If the answer is no, you have to get the hell out of the stock. This happened before. Okay, the earnings tree is after the stock chart already shown some weakness. Well, that is how you need, and that is why you need to look at the chart. If it is very bearish, there must be a reason. Okay, let us revisit this stock. Serba Dynamic. There you go. Serba Dynamic. Okay, now you see this stock. Right, it is trading sideways, and even my health check, this stock has got high debt. Financial health check failed my check. Okay, so I don't touch this stock because this is dangerous. And you look at the earnings, right? The earnings it is good. Okay, it is good, but there's no growth. It's flattish. Okay, TTM also only operating income is going up, but this scares me. Whenever I see a stock with high debt, okay, from my experience, I can only speak from my experience. Any stock with high debt, They like to issue rights. They like to raise cash. They like to do private placement. Then bloody dilute me. So it gives me a lot of headache. And the stock is sideways. Can you see? There is no reason to buy this stock at all. There is no BIC at all. Okay, so you save yourself from this problem. If a stock doesn't show BIC, why trade it? Why buy it? Understand or not? Okay, so that is the reason. So yeah, we were at OpenSeas. Okay, so OpenSeas downtrend, no BIC for sure. So I will ignore. Right, next stock. Revenue. Patrick Tan, revenue. Okay, revenue. Why is there a long tail? This one actually I also miss it. It is because our friendly member Jarvis was sharing the news, right? There was an exercising of the warrants. So therefore it causes the long spike. I think a lot of people exercise a warrant and sell at the open market, bloody hell. Okay, so therefore it causes a long spike. So is there any cause of concern on revenue right now? Okay, first of all, this is the crash I was talking about. From this point onwards, we zoom in. Okay, we zoom in. Then we take a look at this chart. Do we understand this chart or not? Like, let's see. Okay, do we see BIC or not? Okay, the BIC on revenue on the daily chart is not very strong. Okay, it's not very strong. But it has got this ascending triangle pattern. 股票就是这样的啦。When you never buy, right, it break the, okay, this pattern and this pattern look exactly the same. When you never buy, it will go up one straight line. The one that you buy, it starts to fumble. Can you see? This is stock market. Welcome to stocks trading, everybody. Okay, right. So is there any cause or concern about this ascending triangle? I will say no, because it is still doing the resistance breakout turn support. Now, turn support, as I have mentioned many times, it will have three ways. Either it overshoot like this or it undershoot. Now, can it recover? What we're going to recover? You look at the earnings. Okay, the last earning by revenue is slightly deep. Okay, it's slightly deep. So Q4 2021 to the rescue. Q4 2021。哎，哇，你们在那边笑啊，没有同情心哦，没有同情心。哎呀，伤心啊，伤心。Okay， 来 quarterly Okay, so we are betting on Q4. So TTM wise, it started to trend up. So mixed bag. Okay, a mixed bag. Let's go to the weekly chart. Now, once you go to the weekly chart, you take a look at this black candle. Now, this is a warning. This is a warning. If by Friday, today is Wednesday, this weekly candle close on Friday. If by Friday, this candle don't close above 204 or 2 ringgit, we have a problem, because this will become a black candle. Okay, a black candle, a long black. And members, when you see long black, you know what to do, right? You see long black, you know what to do, right? Correct or not? Okay, so doesn't mean ascending triangle, you buy good company, what you want to ride the trend or whatever. Now not the time to be 冲动. Remember, June to July, there will still be a low, so don't get caught. If you die want to tahan revenue 168, is your last chance. Not last chance, is your last line of defense. If it bloody come down to 168, actually it's sibei ugly. Let me explain to you. If it come down to 168, okay, or 170, right? It is, if you come down, right, it is very ugly. It is the head and shoulder pattern. Then 就他妈的危险了. Then it will be very dangerous on the weekly chart. You don't want to see this. And for a profitable company, unless got problem, otherwise, if no problem, right, it should not come down. It should not come down. Okay, so this is where my faith is in the earnings, so it should not come down. And if best is they win the digital banking license, then no problem am I? Okay, so this is a real danger sign. It is an emerging head and shoulder pattern. This is a reversal pattern. Okay, we have it on Franken as well, not Franken, but it didn't go down. Okay, Franken is double top. It is not the head and shoulder pattern. Franken is double top. But for me, I do not believe Franken is going down. Take a look at the earnings. Okay, From my experience, see down here 这个 double top 啊，哪里有下去？下个腿，哪里有下？啊 ，double top, right? This is a double top, correct not? Double top. So a lot of people say, "Ayo, coming down, coming down, coming down, no coming down." Okay, so it's going up. It went up. So this is the same history repeating itself. Okay, it testing the neckline. Okay, and you do see a long white. This week, Franken, you can see the volume is low. Okay, the volume is low. So it is still okay. No, it is still okay. So that's why I said this week, we are waiting for it to recover. You take a look at the daily chart. Okay, Franken, from revenue, we switch to Franken. Okay, this is the, 这个很没有礼貌嘞，谁画的？I mean, there's a bug in the software. Why got one very rude? Okay, let's come back to this. Okay, let's come back to this. So this is the crash that every stock has, April to March to May, and then this is the place that you want to focus your attention to. Now, when I give you this view from May to last week of June, do you see BIC? 有没有看到 BIC? If you see BIC, comment BIC. I think I deserve a fireworks of BIC, correct? 有没有看到 BIC? 什么 double top? Franken 有什么 double top? Wong, here so funny, got even more funnier one. When I sing 命裏有時 when I sing this song, you know who am I talking about, right? Oh, this one cannot anyhow sing. Later 干人大弟 come and 干 me. Let's continue. Come, BIC. Oh, everybody see BIC, right? So that is why it is very important for you to be able to know the chart. Okay, so everybody got your knowledge today, the value today. So if you have enjoyed yourself, please give me a like. Please give me a like. Okay, 我又要去跟人家讨赖了YouTube 听得很精彩哦，听得很精彩，可是你忘记给我 like 嘞。230 of you, can you help me click the like, more like, so that the YouTube algorithm know that I'm popular? If you find value in my sharing and you find that OK 啦，有帮助到你的话please give me a like. If I have provided value for you in any way, I hope you can give me your likes so that at least 50%. No need to type here, just click here, Hit the like button like that. Click one time, 29. Click. The more you click, right, once you hit here, it means that okay, most of the people enjoy this video, and then I will hit high on the YouTube rank. Thank you very much. Tonight, very passionate, because the market make me very frustrated, and I know a lot of you are suffering out there. So tonight I prepare, I show you 2018 because I have been talking about 2018 since last week. After the Fed meeting, we saw that they say that they're going to increase the interest rate. Somehow I feel 2018 coming again. So tonight I show you 2018 and how to trade going forward. I sincerely hope it can help you. 讲这样多才66啊！哎呀，多一点嘛，係咪？ You know when I do this, I feel like what? I feel like the pasar malam, right? I use the gong, gong, ask people to come and see. Then after that, put one gong there to collect the coins, the donation. 75, okay. 好过没有啦 75 好过没有 Thank you very much for those of you who responded and click like. Okay, you click dislike also can. Maybe it's because my language no good, right? You dislike because my language no good. This is my language. This is how I speak. I'll try to improve my English. I scared my Cambridge English, not a lot of people can accept. Okay, I tried before, and a lot of people ask me to talk normally lah. Don't talk like fake and more like that. So yeah. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for the like. Okay, let me continue. Okay, so 总结. Before I 总结, I forgot to go through the result here. Okay, because the time is 10 p.m. now, so right now this is the list of stock. Okay, for all the members, remember these are still the 3 rules: week in, week out. the process doesn't change. The market can be ugly, the market can be pretty, the process doesn't change. So that you are always in control, guys. So please do not lose control, do not lose faith, be disciplined, just follow through the process. When the market is turning up, you will be there to benefit. Okay, I repeat my favorite statement. If you are not there during this bad time, when the market recover, you will miss the good time. Okay, you miss the good time. So let's do it. After you do the screening, you click on the rank, you sort the most beautiful rank on top. That means the fundamentals, the earning story is good stock on the top. And then you click on price chart. This is the results. This is a list of stocks. So you go through one by one and see which chart has got BIC. If you see BIC, that will be the stock that you want to lay your hands on. Okay. Emulus. Where got no BIC? One look also no BIC ma, 係咪咁講? Okay, earnings there going up. Which industry? 又是 semiconductor, you see. Okay, earnings going up is a recovery play. Ayo, sweet man. Emulus, I have noted it down on my note also, no, during that week when they announced earnings. Okay, so let me see. Emulus. Yeah, 找不到. Okay, never mind. We talk about chart first. Okay, Emulus. So let's go to take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart, same, sama as one of the stocks just now I saw. Low volume pullback. I think it's revenue. So you don't want to see this unable to close 85. You need this to close at 85, at least 85, so that you get a white candle with a decent volume. So by Friday, Emulus 胜负就知道了. Okay. Currently, pullback on low volume is a very good sign. Let me take a peek at the Wall Street. Okay, it is quite a flattish market. Nasdaq up 0.26%. But if you take a look at the stocks, what are the stocks that is driving up? Okay, you have got Nvidia up 1.3%. You got Taiwan Semiconductor, what 1.8%? You got AMAX up 1.8%. You got Micron up 2%. Tonight is the semiconductor night. So tomorrow, I hope it will wake the bloody hell up our semiconductor stock in Bursa. Okay, I hope they are inspired tomorrow. If this doesn't inspire them, tomorrow we have to scold them more so that they will react. 真的是气死人欸. See, the Wall Street semiconductor stocks are up. Beautiful. AMD is also up. Okay, so it is just a matter of time. Semiconductor, let us just wait for it. Okay, wait for it. B auto, I don't trade this stock, auto industry. So do you see BIC? You see BIC, you take it a little bit lah. BIC a little bit earnings wise. So you need to combine both sides, BIC, and then you combine the earnings. Okay, so you go down the list. K Power 就算了啦. K Power, the three stock. Okay, the three stock is what we call 铁锁连舟. K Power, SCIB, Dynamic. These three are same problem. Okay, same problem. They drag one another down. So curse stock, don't touch first. We'll come back to it when the trend recover. Okay. Now, how do we know the trend recover? When the news is over, and also when it has a very obvious trend reversal. Right now, don't have lah. I don't even bother to draw the downtrend line. It will be so far away. You see the downtrend line. Okay, if I draw the downtrend line right now, it will be so goddamn far away that it's not useful. It is not useful. Can you see? It is not useful. There will be a mini trend happening. We use that. Okay. Malawa. Okay, this one worth our time. This one definitely worth our time. I think a lot of you love the steel stock. Okay, so let's zoom in. Did you not see the BIC that I'm seeing? BIC ma. It's just that the timing is not here. You see, Malawa is a steel stock, okay, in Bursa. Fortress Mineral is a steel company, Malaysian steel company stock listed in SGX. Tamada, this fella go up so much, today. How many percent up? From 61 cents to 67 cents. Nearly 10% up, the Singapore steel stock. And this is a Malaysia company. Then the one doing still in Malaysia, listed in Bursa, like that. Walao eh. 極死人啊，真的係極死人。Okay, so Malawa is one of the top horse, top horse. The earnings sibei powerful, sibei powerful. So you go to the weekly chart, you can see that. Okay lah, it is just a normal pullback after a strong run. So it is still consolidating, still consolidating. From my past 2 weeks of experience, so I'm going to share with you what I feel. From my past 2 weeks of experience, it is better to okay, I have to be careful. I don't want to be the one to cause Malawa to run. I need to show it to you, then you own self decide. Okay, you own self decide. Now I ask you this simple question. Okay, everybody listen now. Actually, this simple question. Okay, whatever still stock lah, Haptic lah, Anju, whatever, right? You should be able to see the same pattern. Okay, for Malawa. Now, I find that it is very unwise to buy near the resistance. As you can see, the past 2 resistance hold like a strong sheet of metal, we cannot break upwards and pull back. So for Malawa, right, somehow buying near the support seems like a good idea. Okay, so that much I can say. But how to buy, when to buy, what to look for, members will know. Those of you who do not know, join me, join me. Okay, so that's for Malawa. Cysco. Okay, let's see Cysco. 可以吗 Cysco 可以吗 Cysco, do you see BIC? Hey, a lot of stock got BIC leh. Market okay lah. The stock market still okay lah. Cysco, yeah, you see earnings also turning up. Okay. So this one is not my 筹码, not my top choice. If I want to do marine, fleet, and logistics, there are other stock that you can choose from. Okay, but this one, although the earnings is not so strong, but you can definitely see the BIC chart. So depend on your 八字 strong or not lah. Okay, whether you want to take this Cysco or not. Aim is what industry? Okay, let me just widen this a bit so that I can see the industry over here. Advertising, this one no need to see. M-Prop, electric, no need to see. Amoda, wow. Amoda used to have a cup and handle. Okay, Amoda used to have a cup and handle. So right now, because of the Fed meeting on that day, US dollar rises, oil price was down, but oil price has already recovered, my friends. It's now above 70 US dollar per barrel, very, very firmly. Very, very firmly. So we want to see whether the oil is going up or down. It's still up. Today up 1.3%. Oil price. Why is oil price up? Because US oil inventory has a huge drawdown, so there could be more production of oil, and therefore oil related services company like Amoda, Taiyang, Cheramit, Usma, may the trend recover, guys. May the trend recover. Okay, so let us look at the weekly chart now. Weekly chart, yeah, there is a shooting star, but remember what I said about shooting star. So long the next candle doesn't go down, it means you give a strong hint that hey, this is actually a collection instead of distribution. So does it absorb the selling well or not? Depend on this week candle. If tomorrow or by Friday you see go above 50 cents, this stock maybe can finally fulfill its potential. Okay, so that's Amoda. Now there's a lot more. I cannot go through every stock. Okay, I cannot go through every stock. So those of you members here, you must work hard. Okay, because I already in this line for 17 years, so I roughly have a list of stock I know I want to follow, I want to trade. Okay, and I can see very fast. But for you, because you are new, you just learn, you need to work harder. You need to work harder. Okay, so 你要用功一点，今晚不要睡，去看完这些股。Okay, look at this stock and get those list of stock that has got the BIC. Then tomorrow stand by. Let's just take a look at SYF. SYF, I am very curious because I remember one member asked before. Okay, so those of you who are new to trading, another BIC. So those of you who are new to the trading or investment, you must work hard. Remember, I have put in 17 years of effort. So this is your turn now. You need to put in more effort. okay, so that you can get up to speed and know how to do this earlier. Shorten your learning curve. Shorten your learning curve. QR is up, you see? Buying before, okay, buying up before the earnings is out. Can you see? Buying up, and this is exactly what I tell you just now, Matthew. So you don't go and buy tomorrow, no. It may fizzle out, no, unless the earning is super solid. Let me see, is the earning super solid? No? Earnings is super solid for SYF. Tomorrow get up. Tomorrow this fella get up. Okay, so that is all the stocks here. So please work harder, go through a list of stock. Tomorrow share with me what to buy. Okay. Okay, now I want to talk about the summary. Okay, so this summary will help those of you who are new, and as a refresher for those of you who have heard this 1,000 times. When you go to the stock market, you will always have 3 questions to ask: what to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. Today we focus a lot on what to buy. So we talk about industry theme, we talk about catalyst. So for a stock to go up, it must either be inside the industry theme at the moment. Last few months ago, we have got the steel company, and aluminium industry theme. Correct or not? Okay, so that's the industry theme. And then we also need to have a catalyst. So catalyst is if the stock has a reason like secure a new contract, or like, for example, like semiconductor, you see that, oh, Wall Street semiconductor is very strong. So tomorrow, maybe, okay, semiconductor stocks are going up for Bursa. Chart is still nice. Like just now I show you one semiconductor stock start with F. Looks good. That is called catalyst. Okay, now that will give you an idea what stock to buy. So you 千千万万不要随随便便 pick any stock and just buy just because the blue line cross red line on an indicator, or you know what, moving area support. Don't do that. You must know the company that you are buying. Okay, and also another catalyst is earnings. Earnings season. Just now I speak 20 minutes about that. I hope you remember. Okay, and then you focus on when to buy. After you find the what to buy, you want to know when to buy, and you want to know when to sell. Okay, so this is the summary of the proper stock selection procedure that can help anybody, be it you are very new to trading or you are an experienced old fox, but you somehow always give back your profit. This is what is going to help you. Okay, so this is a summary, and the next thing I want to share with you is, those of you who are new, is who is the guy behind this voice? Okay, speaking so loud in the middle of the night. Who am I? My name is Yihua. Okay, I do not have an English name. Maybe English name is called Mr. Chart Nexus. Just now I saw Donnie call me Chart Nexus. Okay, so director of Chart Nexus. Private trader since 2004. So these are some of the articles that have contributed to the mainstream media over the years. Like I said, 2017-18 is the time when I stepped back into the trading scene to lead the community. So what community? Traders Club Southeast Asia, Singapore Traders Club, and Malaysia Traders Club. So for Malaysia Traders Club, as I was saying, before COVID-19, I was flying around visiting this wonderful. East Malaysia is a place where it never crossed my mind to visit. Finally, because of this Chart Nexus seminar, I have a chance to go to these cities, and then wow, very rustic, very beautiful places. East Malaysia. West Malaysia where all the good food is. All the good food is. Okay, so before COVID, I was flying around conducting seminar like this to many people, or to many people at the hotel. So therefore, I meet a lot of you. Now, because of COVID-19, we are doing this online, and I have got so used to it that I don't think there will be any time we are going to fly so soon. So I think post-COVID, doing online has its advantage, because one webinar, I can talk to many people. Last time, I need to fly. Now, no need. So this is what I do at Chart Nexus Traders Club. Lead the Traders Club. So Traders Club, we focus on what stock to buy and also the whole trade life cycle. So today, if you are interested in knowing what stock to buy and you want to follow the stock selection procedure, and you find that, hey, tonight what you listen from me, it make a lot of sense, very logical, and you find the process very clear, this is the club to join. Once you join, I'm not the only one who will lead. There will be other community leaders, I call them, who will share a lot of information, more trading ideas to help one another. This causes the community semangat to be very strong. Okay, so this is the Traders Club. 5-stage trader progression shows a chart where a lot of people are struggling at the first 3 stages. Now, if you are interested to go to the 4th stage, okay, go to the 4th stage, this will help you to avoid spending more time to go in, to find out what work and spending more money, keep losing the money in the stock market by going to the 4th stage directly, which is to join my mentorship program. This mentorship program is crafted to help anyone, okay, on a long-term basis to finally understand the game of investment. Nothing is different, okay? There is no new thing in investment, in trading, okay? It is demand and supply. You should be able to identify BIC, that is demand, okay? And choose the company. So to learn, tonight I just show you about 20%. So the other 80% you have to join to find out. Okay, so fundamental analysis, learn how to identify profitable companies, turnaround companies, or companies that is marikita, one tan, cannot touch. And then how to see sector in play, where to find the news, where do you confirm? Okay, and technical analysis is the charting. So just now I show you how we do it. Okay, now how we do it. So that is some forms of it, but BIC can happen in all shapes and sizes. It requires you to at least view hundreds of charts to be well versed in identifying BIC. Okay, so tonight I just show you a glimpse of it. So once you join the mentorship, every day we'll be looking and hunting for this, then you'll be able to experience it, different kind of BIC charts. Okay, and the mentorship, I'm guiding you every single day during the program. Every single day. It is not Saturday, Sunday, learn already, you try yourself, then 1 week meet you once. No, it is every day. I will be with you through the learning broadcast, through the weekly training webinar, and through the daily market commentaries. Okay. If I may be cliche a bit, because now Euro 2020, once you join the mentorship program, you will never walk alone. A Liverpool slogan. No? So let me show you. Okay, this is the Traders Club. This is the Traders Club homepage, home ground. Okay, our home ground. So Traders Club private invite. So once you come in here, right, you can go to the guides. This is where all the training videos are recorded and uploaded. A few videos to highlight to you. You want to know how to use the software. Yes, the Pro, the screener, how to set up for Telegram alerts is right here. Okay, view it. And then volume trigger is a core principle in our trading strategy. So make sure you learn this. Then you'll be able to participate in our communication already. Then you want to find out this portfolio management and position sizing by allocation. This will tell you how many. Okay, this will tell you a formula for you to compound your money. If you get winning stock after winning stock, your account grow, you compound your money. But if you are wrong, like the past 3 months, 4 months, market coming down, this formula will protect you against total destruction. Okay, so this is the risk management part. So these 3-4 videos are the key video that you want to learn. Admin, I think we need to reorganize the video so that we have got part 1, part 2. Part 1 is essential video. If not, I think many members come in, see the list very teng, they don't want to view. So I always want to highlight the important ones to members. Member, you all see very long. Wait for answer. I know one. Okay, I 曾经也是一个懒惰的学生。Okay, so this is the guide. So let's go to discussion. Discussion is the daily musing. Like today, 23rd of June. This is where we talk about the market. This is where I talk about the market. Okay, where previous comment. Okay, this is where I talk about market. You can see morning, then we start already. Ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Whole day talk about stock. No nonsense here. It's all stocks. Okay, no nonsense here. It's all stock. It's about all the different stock name. Okay, so therefore this is where a lot of information is shared. If there's any danger in any stock, they will ping each other. Sometimes ping me. They will come in and take a look. Wow, is it jialat or not? So this is where the daily discussion is. For weekly webinar, okay, for weekly webinar, you can come here and then you can search for the webinar. Webinar is on Monday night. Okay, it is done live. There, this is 24th. 没有最新的。 webinar 3 days ago 是21号21 June. Okay, so this is the latest video. So we always meet on a Monday night to go through the strategy, to go through the whole process and look for the stock and do the follow-ups. Okay, so this is the weekly webinar that I'm talking about. And the learning broadcast. Okay, learning broadcast. Sorry, I was choked. Okay, so this is where I show you all these interesting chart for you to learn from the real chart. After you learn from the old example, come to the live firing exercise. This is where we talk about real chart and show you how it looks like in real life. Okay, it talks about it and how it looks like in real life so that you know what to do. Okay, like cup and handle, Armada. Then after that, we got LB, Alum, revenue. So all these. Okay, so this is the broadcast that you receive into your mobile phone. Okay, into your mobile phone that will help you to get alerted on the spot, real time, so that you will not miss the learning opportunity. Okay, now this is the earnings season that I was talking about, February, May, August, November. The concept is buy in between the month when there was a low, looking for BIC chart. Okay, so take a look at these results. This is May, for the May earning. That was just when COVID was recovering, right? 2020 May. Okay, so COVID happened February, March 2020. So at that time, I built a portfolio of 19.7K of unrealized profit, getting ready to sell into the rally. Sell the weak ones, hold the strong one. Who are the strong one? Top glove law. Top glove, you see top glove. Top glove from 9.9K profit, ride the trend to become 46K, one top glove. Okay, and then the rest of the stock I think all the stock change. I think only keep top glove from May portfolio. You go to August portfolio, getting ready for the August earnings season, most of the stock sold out, flip into all these new stock, and the profit, unrealized profit, swell to 76K. Okay, which means if top glove contributed 46K, I managed to claw 30K of new profit from the new position. All right. Then once you join the training program, you get access to the private page. Join us as member, you get access to the private page. Then you will discuss, you go and join the daily discussion so that you can get the new, you get the stocks updates and training videos, video on demand, so you can go there and view anytime. Weekly webinars, okay, you can get access to the weekly webinars. So this private page gives you a continuous learning experience. And the software, we have got built-in strategies inside the software and comes with fundamentals data is important. The more information you have, the better decision you make. Okay, and all the charts are delayed real-time price chart. That means you are able to see the last candle moving. So more information leads to better investments. For the communicator learning broadcast, you will receive them into your mobile phone by installing our mobile app. Okay, so I want you to learn from real stock. Okay, how the thought process is and how the chart transform from BIC to non-BIC. Do you need to get out of the stock or not? So this is where the learning broadcast is, so that you will stop missing good opportunities. Telegram alerts. Just now I show you how to set the alert. So we have the system strategy notification. We also have the user customized alert. So that means those lines that you draw on Tufu, just now we draw a line on one of the stock, right? So this will also send a notification to your Telegram installed in your mobile phone. I believe most of you got Telegram. Okay, so your Telegram now can help you monitor stock. How nice. So the whole Bursa mentorship program, these are the things that you will receive. This is the October 16, 2020. This is the portfolio preparing for the November earnings. So you can see the stocks. Okay, you can see the stocks change hand again. A lot of stocks just now I had in August sell already, rebuild a new list in October. So the profit swell to 91.5K. Okay, 91.5K. And this is the one, this February 2021, not 2011. So this is February 11, 2021, the year of the metal ox, right? The year of the metal ox. Okay, so a whole list of stock, real unrealized profit 48,900. Okay, so sell into strength, and then this is the big rally before the bear market comes for the last 5 months. Okay, so you can see this is generally how we build a portfolio of good stocks, go into the earnings, sell into strength, rebuild, repeat and rinse every 3 months. Okay, so if you're looking for a program that focuses a lot on result instead of just paper trading and paper tiger just tell you concept here, concept there, then this is the program for you, because we are going for results. We try our best to make money from the stock market. Now the market is bearish. We are always looking for the turn in the trend. Once the turn in the trend comes, we are there to benefit. So with the knowledge you learn, you'll be able to recognize opportunities, and that is where you will make your profit. Okay, that's where you make your profit. The next earning season is in August. 不要错过 August. Just now I spent 20 minutes to explain to you how to trade August. So hopefully you can benefit from it. And if you cannot, then or don't know how, then join me. Join me. Okay. The pre-COVID seminar package is 3788. Now, why is it 3788? Because we need to book hotel, remember last time we're not doing online. We need to book hotel, and then we need to book a ticket, fly here and there. So therefore, there is higher cost. So 3788. But because now we are moving to online, the good news is we are now moving online. Everything is conducted online. So we are able to bring down your investment to only 2388. Okay, post-COVID, if we have to resume face-to-face training, it will go back to 3788. Okay, otherwise, during this time, it is still online virtual training, so it will be 2388. If you break down this 2388, it is only 199 per month only. Think about it this way. This is your investment to make your portfolio turn green. Make your portfolio turn green. So if you have been losing more than 199 ringgit per month, it makes sense for you to invest this 109 ringgit into this program, so that you'll be able to recognize new opportunities that will help you bring green to your portfolio. Okay, so this package includes the ESP Master Pro, the private group access, the communicator, and the Telegram alerts, all sending you alerts to make you successful. So this is the sign up link, chance.com/trading Bursa. My assistant has already pinned up the link over here, okay, on my right hand side. So you can see this is the Bursa link. Those of you who are from Singapore and interested to join my Singapore mentorship program, the link is here as well. I've got my WhatsApp number in case you got question, you want to click on the link to ask question, and also the email for you to contact us if you have question. Okay. Now, as a bonus for those of you who join as a member, you have an opportunity to receive my private alerts. Okay, alerts that I have set up for myself, but because maybe you are new, you may not be able to set the alerts correctly to benefit you. So you can tap on my alerts, tompang my alerts. So if a system send JF tag to me, you will also receive. Okay, so this is a bonus for you, my private alerts. Now for the mentorship program, now I am having an online promotion. So instead of 2388, we are going to lower your investment to make it easier for you to join us. For those of you who are serious and committed to learn from us, okay, so the online promotion is 2011. You save 1,777 ringgit. Okay, and if you break it down into 12 months, it is much lower now, 167 ringgit. Now, once again, if you are unable, okay, to make even 167 ringgit, or you are losing more than 167 ringgit per month, stop whatever you're doing, invest this, and then learn how to spot proper and best opportunities. I have done it quarter after quarter. Even the April short rally, that 1 week of rally, we managed to catch steel stock, catch growth stock. Okay, so this is the program for you. Now, if you have any question, feel free to ask us over at the comments field over here, so that we can help you to address some of your questions. Now I'm going to show you some of the FAQ that people usually have in our program. Okay, the FAQ, where are you? Here, FAQ. Okay, while I await your question, now those of you who are ready to sign up, go ahead, click on the link and sign up. Okay, so that 你早买早享受啦，早买早享受。Okay, hang on, let me get it out. Now, for the question, where is this mentorship program conducted? It is conducted online, so you have your Facebook private page for you to have a discussion with me and all the other members in the community. Okay, remember it is every market day. So long it's not a public holiday, the market is open, that group is open, there will be conversation inside for you to ask questions. Okay, and then you will receive stock alerts to your mobile phone. Either you set by yourself, or you can tumpang my alerts, or you will receive the system alerts into your Telegram. Okay, and also my learning post in your communicator app inside your mobile phone. So you see a lot of support tools to help you learn better, trade better. How do I know this mentorship program can help me? Then you can refer to all the testimonial above over here. Okay, we have collected. So later I will read to you some. Okay, you can see how the program has helped some of the traders here to transform from a losing trader, or some of them are even brand new, to become more profitable. Okay, so you can find out from the testimonial. And this mentorship program is suitable for who? Okay, it's suitable for anyone. Even if you are an experienced trader, you want to be more profitable, or you have been stuck in the market and you know, although you have spent a long time in the market, but you are still not profitable, this program is for you. Okay, you go through the proper stock selection process, the earning season, the concept, so it can help you. And if you are new to trading, this program definitely can help you, because it will shorten your learning curve. This is the thing, save time. Smart people learn from the mistake of others. Today you are a new trader, you are a blank piece of paper. If I can pinpoint to you and tell you, hey, where is the pothole, how can you take care, and how do you protect yourself and avoid the mistakes that I have made in the past, you will do better in a quicker time. No need to self-discover. That is the benefit of joining a program. Okay, what will be discussed during the weekly webinar? Intimate trading details about the stock. Why the stock has a catalyst to go up? What is the exact technical levels, be it the volume or the price that we are waiting for, will be discussed in the weekly webinar. Okay, so in this public webinar, you learn, in tonight's webinar, you learn about what to buy. So in the weekly webinar, you will learn when to buy and when to sell. What if you are unable to attend the weekly webinar? All webinars are recorded. So if you are not free on a Monday night, your video is available for viewing, I think, almost immediately after the meeting ends, about 11 p.m. So you can always watch next day. Okay, it will be there already. So it's all recorded, so you will not miss any. I have just successfully made payment. What is next? So after you have made payment, you will receive a welcome email from us. This welcome email will contain all the instructions to set up your alerts. Set up your software, your alerts. So get access to the Facebook group as well. So you watch out for that welcome email. Okay, so now, any question here? No question yet. Okay, no question. I continue, guys. So for the testimonial, just now I was talking about Patrick, right? Patrick is here. So Patrick say, I make the stock trading seems very simple without too many complicated technical analyses, and using simple to understand conversational language. Highlight. Okay, my weakness may be my language, but my strength is definitely looking at charts and looking at stock market to find find money. Okay, so I have ditched all the indicators that I used to be using, the MACD, the RSI, the moving average, during my early years of my trading, to something more simpler now, because I have discovered this simple way to look at a chart. Okay, combined with the earnings, it is a very dependable method. If I don't see BIC, that means the market is not well. So I will just stand aside and wait. So you see, there is a time you trade, there's a time you wait. So by using my method, I know exactly when to wait. If I was use indicator, the moving average, the Magni will still cross, even the market no good, it will still cross, it will still give signal. So win here, lose there, waste a lot of time. Therefore, my method has now simplified and become much easier to use and also to teach the next person. Okay, so that is from Patrick Tan. Let's see who else. Kyung Yo. Okay, Kyung Yo, for me, results speak the loudest above all else. This sounds like a cliche, but I literally went from a significantly losing portfolio to a winning portfolio after I joined his classes from May onwards. This May is 2020 May. Okay, so you can see there are more testimonials here. So Kelvin Su, also a long time member. So let me read this. I've never felt so confident to trade before I joined this training because what I have learned before are wrong in trading. What I've learned from him really helps a lot to get what I've lost in the stock market. Okay, so therefore, yet another successful case. So this is the testimonial page. There are more here. If you click view more, it will bring you to the testimonial page for you to see all these testimonials. Okay, so what you read just now was picked up from here. Okay, those are members. Thank you very much for your kind words. 我会永远记得你的。Okay, like any question regards? Here you go. Wow, see all these members all jump out to support. Thank you very much. I give you a round of applause. Okay, like any question? 没有 question, then I ask you question. If today, if tomorrow you don't know what to do, or if today you have felt very lost, that means you need help. That means you need help. Or instead of, okay, if you can't bear to invest 167 ringgit in yourself to learn, then how can you invest in your education? You invest your education is to learn how to make money, your degree program, your diploma and whatnot. But after you come out to work, right, you realize that making money is not by employment. You see everywhere it's the same. They talk about investment. To make money, to become wealthy, you need to invest either property or stock. So if today you do not know how to do it, there's this beautiful program right here that I'm willing to give you my weekdays 9 to 5 to help you along for only 167 ringgit per month. You get alerts, okay, to the stock that the whole community is looking at via the Monday weekly meeting. We identify a stock, set up the alerts together. Rest of the week, you wait for the alert. The whole process becomes so straightforward and simple. Okay. Right. Any question with regards to the program? Feel free to ask now. Now, okay, I know a lot of you nowadays buy things online, correct or not? And you usually like to read the reviews, Also, for you to understand how this program can help you, right? I really encourage you to come and read all these reviews. Okay, 真人真事. So after you read, you will have a better idea how the program can help you and how it helps these people will be how I can help you. Okay, so help. help. So this is the program. First question. How much cash do I need to have to start investing after joining? Okay, Sanjit. Okay, so this is a very common question. The minimum size for the stock, okay, to buy the stock in Bursa is 100 shares. Okay, 100 shares. So it is very low. So if you have 10K or if you have 20K, that is good to start already. Okay, you need to start somewhere. You cannot have money already, then you learn. You need to learn as you build up your war chest. Make sense to you? Okay, so once again, you need to learn how to do it before you manage money. Now, if you do not have a lot of cash to invest for a start, it is even a better news because any mistake you make will be smaller. Compare, let's say compare, you have got a $10,000 account compared to a $100,000 account. $100,000 account mistake definitely be more expensive than a $10,000 account. Correct or not? So therefore, there is no best minimum. There's no best minimum, but you need to know how to do it. That is the more important thing. Very quiet, Let me on some music while I wait for a while because there's a 20-second delay. So that is why I know after I talk, right, usually there will be a delay, a quiet, okay, before the next one will speak. So nice. The market today, green. I am a new member, Pang. Hi, Pang. How to set up for the Telegram alert? Must use to set up for a Telegram alert, Pang, you come to here. 这边 here. Okay, let me show you. This video will show you how to set up for the Telegram alert. Here. Video 1.6. Go to guides and then look for video 1.6 inside step by step. Okay. Video is good because after you play, right, you can pause, then you do the action first, then you play, resume play again, then the next step you pause again, then you can follow. So if you still cannot do it, email to us, et@chinanews.com, or you WhatsApp to us, then my tech guy will help you. Okay, my tech guy will help you. 我们增强人手了。现在比较多人帮忙了。等 wait for your question 来。Okay, so I think there's no more question, Okay, no more question. Once again, the sign up links are there. Feel free to go and click and sign up so that you will receive our welcome email. And then hopefully tomorrow and Friday, I will see you at our market down 3 days already. So reasonable for you to bounce Thursday, Friday. We are all looking forward to it. Okay, so if you are in the market already, I wish you all the best. So those of you who need help, come and join me. All right, so with that, I will see you next Wednesday. That's all. Good night. See ya. Bye.